Thinking about taking a gap year, but worried it might delay your academic goals? Well, guess what? It can actually supercharge your university application. Stay tuned as we break down how to turn your gap year into a game changer. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping students, parents, and school counselors navigate the exciting and sometimes overwhelming world of university admissions. Today's topic is all about this buzzword called gap year, which is far from being a break. They're actually an opportunity to grow, explore, and stand out on your university application. So let's explore. So why should you even consider taking a gap year? Let's break it down. Universities today are looking for well-rounded candidates, students who not only meet academic requirements, but also bring something unique to the table. And a gap year, it can be your golden opportunity to stand out. Picture this. You spent the year getting meaningful experiences, whether that's through work, volunteering, or even internships. Not only does this add depth to your applications, but it also gives you practical insights that you simply can't get from textbooks. Perhaps you're thinking, I could really use a boost in my academic qualifications. A gap year here gives you the extra time to sharpen your skills or even retake exams to meet your desired entry requirements. And let's not forget explorations. This is your chance to dive into new interests, develop skills that align with your career goals, and truly discover what drives you. Maybe you've always dreamt of traveling or participating in cultural exchanges. A gap year allows you to broaden your perspective, adapt to new environments, and demonstrate your resilience and adaptability, qualities every university values. At its core, a well-planned gap year isn't about taking time off. It's actually about taking time to grow. Now that you're excited about the idea of a gap year, let's talk strategy. How do you ensure this year isn't just productive but transformative for your university application? It all starts with using clear goals. Take a moment to ask yourself, what do I want to achieve this year? Maybe it's improving your grades, gaining hands-on work experiences, or learning a new skill. Defining your goals will give your gap year a strong sense of purpose. Once your goals are set, think about how your activities align with your field of study. For instance, if you're aiming for a career in medicine, shadowing a doctor or volunteering at a hospital can be incredibly impactful. If engineering is your path, consider maybe interning at a tech company or participating in a STEM-focused workshops. The key here is to gain experiences that connect to your future aspirations. As you navigate through your gap year, focus on developing essential skills. For example, time management, leadership, and problem solving. These aren't just useful for university, they're life skills that will set you apart in any context. And here is an important tip. Keep a record of everything. Document your experiences, the lessons you've learned, and the skills you've developed. Not only will this help you reflect on your growth, but it will also be a goldmine of content for your university application. You've had a productive gap year. Now comes the crucial part, showcasing it effectively on your university application. Your personal statement is your first chance to make an impression. Use it to share how your gap year shaped you. Talk about the growth you experienced, how it deepened your understanding of your chosen field, and how it strengthened your goals. If you're invited to an interview, be ready to dive deeper, highlight specific challenges you faced during your gap year and how you overcame them. Discuss the skills you developed and how these experiences have prepared you for university level study. On your resume or CV, be clear and concise. Outline the activities you participated in, the achievements you earned, and how they connect to your academic and career aspirations. Universities aren't just looking for what you did, they're looking for what you gained from it. They want to see that you've used your time wisely and are more prepared than ever for the challenges of higher education. A gap year, when planned strategically, is more than just a year off. It's an investment in your personal and academic growth. If you're considering this path, we'd be happy to help you create a plan that aligns with your goals. Book a discovery call with us through the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be weighing in their options. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. See you in our next video.